In this video we go over how to add a feature route and manually add a feature, setting up the map for the route. At the end of this video you will understand how to set up your feature routes and organize them in FRM, allowing you to get started mapping. What you are seeing now is the feature route list page. The feature route list page is much like a spreadsheet. It has columns and rows that can be sorted by column or filtered by search. The feature route list page is where you find all the feature routes you have created or are currently associated with. To sort by a column, simply click the column heading. To filter the list by a column value, begin typing in the text box below the column heading. We have a few options to add a feature route. You can access the button in the Help tab under the How do I add a feature route link. You could use the side menu, or use the plus new menu. When we click on one of the options, it will take us to the Add New Feature Route page. Once at the Add New Feature Route page, we need to give the feature route a title. It should be an address of a survey or map grid number with a project name. The title should be searchable or easy to find or identify at a later date. Here I use a customer survey address syntax for this example. It could be more specific, including a coordinator name, or the survey type, fiber, or coax. I put the address down to the zip code, allowing me to find this survey or feature route by its city or zip code. Click the Add Feature Route button under the Save/Update form box. Once the page reloads, you will see a notification at the top of the page, and your Add Feature Route button will have changed to an Update button. If you want to give another user access to this feature route, you must associate them. Just select a name and click Update. User associations allow teams to work together but enable finer control of who can access work. Now we need to add the first feature to this newly created feature route so we can enable the map and use the map successfully. The first feature is always added manually using a workflow that facilitates the ability to manually enter GPS coordinates to set points within a feature route in FRM. To manually add a new feature to a feature route, you have two options for getting to the Add New Feature page. You can use the Help tab or you can use the plus new menu. Once we get to the Add New Feature page, you will see a few different fields. We need to make sure the feature route is correct. Don't ever assume it will be selected correctly. Ensure to check it. The field below it also needs to be marked Yes. After making sure the feature route input has the correct feature route selected and the field below it is set to Yes, find and click the Add button in the Save/Update poll form box. Once the page reloads, you can begin using the map. You should now have an understanding of how to set up a feature route and manually add the first feature so you can begin using the map to complete your project. See Desktoping a Survey or How to Add Drops for Map Interaction Assistance. This concludes this help video. Thank you for using FRM.